So basically, the first scientist, you just should remember his name. It was Robert Hooke. You can see here. So he was the first person to discover the cell, and he discovered the cell in a bark of a tree. Basically, he used you can say that Robert Hooke used a microscope to observe dead cells in the section of a cork using a simple microscope. And after Robert Hooke, the second scientist, he was Anton van Leeuwenhoek, who was the first to observe living microorganisms. Are you getting this? Like the first ever cell was in the cork. Like cork, basically, the cells of the cork are dead cells. Okay, and first ever living cell was observed. Discovered by this person, Anton van Leeuwenhoek. And after that, like different people over the time, they discovered cells in different things, and like data from all of them is collected and a cell theory is made. And just these three points are important to remember. Over the years, different scientists studied the cells in different organisms, and they made this conclusion. This is called cell theory. So they said that all living things are made up of cells. So the word living things is important, okay, and which includes definitely animals, plants, microorganisms, okay.
Yes.
And when I say animals, definitely like kingdom, do you know about the kingdom Animalia? Like it has so many phylums in it, and including human, there are so many animals, starting from a worm to a human, like so many, and all the animals that lives in the seas and that lives in the deserts and that lives in the woods. So these are all like living organisms. And the microorganisms means like bacteria and viruses and fungi, so the things that we cannot even see with our eye without using microscope. So every single thing is made up of cells. And the second thing they said are that cells are the basic units of structure and function in living things. And if you remember, I actually explained this thing in our demo class, that what does it mean by when we say that cells are the basic units of structure and function. What does it mean, Haley?
Cells basically make up who we are and what's inside of us.
Good job. And the function mean everything that our body do is basically, when we go deep, it actually is happening inside the cell. New cells are produced from existing cells. This point is very important.